everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this sleek middle part, well, any part, outre wig. And this is brought to you by divatress.com. So if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from outre, and her name is Marisa. This is brought to you by divatress.com. So if you're interested in purchasing Marisa on divatress.com, please be sure to wait till the end of this video to find out more. Now in today's video, I have this human hair blend, and this one is a part of outre's 360 frontal wig series. Now don't get too excited. This isn't a 360 where you can put it up in a high bun. This is more of a low ponytail type of deal. So if that's what you're looking for, a low ponytail feel, this will be perfect for you. But if you're looking for more of a high bun, this is not the 360 that you are looking for. But nevertheless, it is a great unit. Now, this is one of their 13x6 units. And let's just say this texture reminds me of their sleek pressed wig. Remember that wig that everyone seemed to go crazy about? I truly love that wig, and I have reviewed that about 3 or 4 years ago on this channel. It's a great unit, and I've reviewed it in black as well as the ombre burgundy, and the feel is exactly the same. The only difference with that is that that one was a synthetic version, and this one is a human synthetic blend. So to me, it feels the same in terms of the texture, but it's a great improvement from sleek pressed, because sleek pressed was just limited to one type of like middle part like this. But with Marisa, you can definitely part this to the side, put this up in a low ponytail, or any which way you would like. The only difference is that you cannot bleach or dye this unit, but who would want to do all that? It does most of the work for you already. And it comes in a variety of different colors, so you have nothing to worry about in the color department. I decided to go with the color 1 because I wanted that sleek press look, and I wanted to feel that again. And I truly love how this feels. This is more of a yaki type of texture, a yaki straight. It feels like if you would to blow out your hair and straighten it out, that's what it feels like. If you have pretty lengthy hair like this, and you're not trying to do that with your natural hair right now, you're just chilling, but you want that look, you can definitely go ahead and purchase this unit. This is definitely mimicking that, and I do like that. For a synthetic human hair blend, it does a pretty good job in terms of that. Now, in terms of the internals of the cap, it does come with an adjustable band, so that gives you even more protection, and 4 combs, 3 at the front and 1 at the back with adjustable straps. What I've noticed with the lace is a little bit more durable at the front, which is great, but it's quite flimsy at the back because it does have a little bit of lace at the back as well. But the texture on that lace is more of a kind of pantyhose type of texture. It's very soft and easily, it can be easily torn. So please be careful of that. If you're looking to put this in a low ponytail, you don't want any disasters happening with that lace. I don't think it would be much of an issue because most of us is going to wear it long anyway. But if you are looking to put this in a low ponytail, be mindful of the different textures. No need to fret though. At the front, it is more durable and it's nice and soft, but compared to the back, it could be easily torn. So please be careful of the lace at the back. The lace at the front is perfect. It is durable enough, and this wig takes a good amount of heat. I did put a little heat to it because this side was a lot more humpy than the other side. So I was definitely able to give off that sleek look, and that parting space looks phenomenal. I love how it turned out. And in terms of the lace itself, I did tint it so that way it would match my skin tone with my ebon lace spray. And I love how this wig turned out. Very beautiful, and of course the straight look. I just love how sleek this is. Oh my goodness, like no tangles, none of that. It is just perfect. And of course, the length is 24 inches in length, and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So definitely go ahead, do some cool styles with it. It's very beautiful. It's great as well For even like if you're taking professional photos, or I know this is a bit early to talk about like graduation. I mean, some of us are probably graduating this fall or this winter, or if you are a student, you know, you could definitely use this and put your cap on it. It wouldn't be an issue. Or for any other event, it's definitely great to wear. I do love how this turned out. This is a great unit. 10 out of 10 Outre. Wow, that's all I have to say. So if you're interested in this unit, please be sure to check out divatress.com. Unfortunately, they do not have the color 1 or 1B or the color 2 available. So please be on the lookout for that if you're looking for this color. They do have other colors as well, but there's an additional fee. So definitely look through those colors and make sure of the price change. Keep your eyes on the price change. You can definitely check that out and pick whichever color you would like. The model has on that color where you have to pay that extra fee. So please be mindful of that. And thank you so much, DRFF, for allowing me to review this unit for my audience. I truly appreciate it. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, and links to this wig will be down below also. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.